Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. I am always on the go and this portable blender has been a lifesaver.
This Devan blender is a total game changer. I'm obsessed with how powerful it is and the fact that I can switch the blade rotation to get that perfectly smooth blend. Genius. I make protein smoothies every morning and this thing fits my lifestyle like a dream. The best part, I can just pop off the blender bottom, cap it, and take it with me on the go, straight to work, where everyone immediately wants to check it out. And cleaning, the easiest thing ever. Just toss some dish soap and water, blend it, and boom, clean. It's also so good for making light, refreshing drinks. I whipped up some for my friends, and let's just say they were very impressed. And I was the smoothie barista all night. I take it everywhere, seriously. Meanwhile, I'm over here happily sipping my protein shake while everyone else loads up on the omelets and bacon. Oh, and pick your favorite color and hold on tight. Because trust me, once people see this, they're going to want to steal it.
I just love it, and that's my point of view.